Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slap. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the brand new products from Merit Beauty. This is my first time trying anything from Merit Beauty, so I'm very excited to get my hands on these. Merit Beauty very kindly sent these to me, so shout out to Merit Beauty, thank you very much. But if you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe, I'd love to have you in the Slap family. And without further ado guys, here is the video. This is my first time ever trying anything from Merit Beauty. They've been around for a little while, I think a few years, and I've been really excited to try some things from them, but they've only been available in the US until very recently. They're now available in the UK, so I picked up a couple of things. So one of the things I got, one of the three things I got from Merit Beauty is the Day Glow Highlighting Balm. They say that it is made for daytime. This highlighter gives a dewy, balmy sheen with zero sparkle. It comes in 4 shades. One of the shades is new, and that's the one I have. That is the shade Solstice, which is a neutral bronze. They also have Citrine, which is a soft gold, Carver, which is the champagne, and Bounce, which is a rose gold. This is my first time trying any of them. It is £34 and $32. They say it is moisturizing, buildable, gives a dewy finish and blendable. A vitamin rich base which replenishes moisture for a dewy lit from within glow. The other thing I picked up was the signature lipstick. This is a lightweight lipstick and it comes in 2 different finishes. There is a satin and there is also matte. I picked up a matte in the shade Classic, which is a kind of nude shade. This is £28 and 26 US dollars, so not bad at all. These prices are very good considering some of the prices of other things I've tried. So I'm excited to try these. I'm going to show you guys the packaging, show you some swatches, then I'm going to get into a demo. Those are the swatches on. The highlighting balm had a bit more of a cool reflect to it, which I don't love. I prefer my highlighters to have a gold undertone rather than a silver undertone, just because I find that more flattering for my skin tone. But I do think that when I rubbed it in, it looks very sheer and very workable, so I think that's probably how I'll wear it. I don't think I'll use the brush for now, but the brush was really nice. Looks like a really nice flexible blending brush that would be good for like stick foundations or cream bronzers or cream blushes and things like that. Might be a little bit big for a cream blush, but it's a really nice brush. The lipstick was really nice as well. It reminded me of the Omi, so I went to swatch the Omi and it looks very similar to the Omi. I think the Omi and the NARS American Woman are ever just so slightly more pink and a bit more opaque in their mateness. I find the Merit one a little bit softer, a little bit sheerer, so it'll be interesting to see how that looks on my lip. Hopefully it's not too sheer when it's worn, but it did feel nice. It felt very lightweight. First up, I'm going to try on the lipstick without any lip liner, so just on a bare lip. and then I'll try it on with a lip liner. This is the shade Classic. I forgot to say, I really love the packaging of this. It's very different. I love the fact that it doesn't go all the way in. It just makes it really easy to open. You just pull it out, and I love this kind of glass casing. It feels like a kind of skyscraper New York vibe, which is really nice. So I like the packaging. I really like the boxes as well, all of those blue boxes with the gold lettering. It just seems very modern and very nice and minimal. So I'm really liking the packaging and the vibe. The highlighter packaging looks really nice as well. It was light but not too light. Another thing that looks very easy to use, it's kind of like a bit more of a grown-up Glossier, I guess. You can twist it, you can keep twisting it up, which I didn't do, and you've actually got quite a lot in there considering it's a highlighter. So it goes up quite high. Let's see if we can get it back down, and it's very, very silky. It's just like glides on. The packaging is cute and simple, and I like the kind of globe top as well, so very nice. I'm going to try on the lipstick in the shade Classic. It's really smooth on, really lightweight, actually feels very comfortable, much more of a creamy matte but in a much lighter feel on the lips. I like that. I think of all the kind of nude pinks I've ever tried, this is probably the most wearable one without a lip liner, and that's quite shocking for me. I was expecting to look like a clown, which I do tend to look like without the lip liner. So this is really nice. I'm really enjoying it so far. It just looks really, I could actually go outside like this and I wouldn't look too insane, which is great. I'm intrigued to see how it's going to wear with a lip liner. It's very creamy, very silky on the lips, feels very moisturizing and hydrating. So far, very, very good. So I'm going to pop this on again, this time with the Lisa Eldridge 3N lip liner. I decided to go in twice with this one just because I felt like it needed to be thicker, and it's good to see that it is actually quite buildable. That's the lipstick on. I'm actually really impressed with this shade Classic. It feels very comfortable, it looks nice, it looks exactly how I would want it to look with a lip liner, but on its own it looks better than everything else I have, which is incredible for me and very unusual. I never ever have a lipstick that looks good without a lip liner that's in the nude arena. So this is really, really nice. I'm very happy with this. Next up is the highlighter in the shade Solstice. This one looks good but only blended in according to the swatch on my hand. So let's have a look. Definitely does make a difference, and I like the fact that it's very easy to blend in. But looking at this cheek and this cheek, this one definitely has a bit more of a gleam to it. It looks a bit like there's a little light bulb in the apple of my cheek, which is very cute. I quite like it actually. So I'm going to pop some on this side, and it just glides on. It's super easy. I do like that, and I think it looks nice. It looks very gleamy. I think of the two, my favourite probably is the lipstick, because it's just a bit more special, because it looks so good as a sheer lipstick and then is so easily buildable as well. So I do really like the lipstick for that. It feels so creamy, so lightweight on, and I really like that. Anyway guys, that is it. Those are the new products, well, new to me products from Merit Beauty, and a new shade in the highlighter. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried anything from Merit before, if you've got this in any other shades and what you think. Also what you think of the lipstick, and if you've tried the brush as well, or if there's anything else you've tried from Merit that you think I should be trying. Let me know in the comments down below. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. We'd love to have you in the Slap family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.